God, I'm still counting my blessings, all that you've done in my life.
Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you guys a simple back to school hairstyle you can do on your daughter and save your money for something else. You have to be very meticulous, isn't it? I have already prepped her hair off camera because it takes a lot of work. I moisturize her hair with my DIY hair butter and hair growth oil. I know some of my subscribers have asked me what I use on her hair to make her hair very soft and moisturized. I'll be sharing that video very soon. Please do well to turn on your notifications so that you know when I post the video, and stay connected. It's very important. Moving forward, I divided her hair into two equal parts. I tied the other part, and the other part I divided it into smaller sections, you can see. Okay, please watch this video carefully because I'll be showing you guys how you can cornrow, two easy methods. Okay, if you don't know how to cornrow, then you have to stay with me until the end of this video. All right, and if you are new to this channel, please kindly join the family by hitting the subscription button and turning on your bell icon if you love tutorials on kids hair and DIYs. Okay, and I also share vlogs and lifestyles concerning my life in the UK. All right, please, I'm not sure I'll do this voiceover to the end. Just kindly watch it. Okay, love you guys. Bye.